this is the BoomGlider. And I call it the hiss because it has the folding patterns to boomerang, if I can get it right, to boomerang back to me almost every time.
Whoa.
And every throw that I do it in. It comes to me like almost anywhere.
How long did it get you to design that?
It took me, I don't really know, but all I can say is I did not know that this plane could boomerang until I tried the plane for myself like a week later after designing it. So I really don't know how I did it.
So you didn't find that design in a book?
I did not find design in a book. I just took my time to create paper airplanes. I just stumbled on this jungle guide and boomerang back.
How many pieces of paper is that?
One.
Oh, that's cool.
Just one piece of paper.
Oh.
Just one piece of paper.
Do you have instructions so other people can make it? Let me see. So it glides, so it could be like an airplane. Let me see. So it could be like an airplane, right?
Paper airplane.
Or, show me the other way.
Or a glider.
Or a glider. But either way, it kind of boomerangs, right?
Yeah, in the glider mode, it just kind of like does not like glide to me as much, but in every mode it can still boomerang, but can just go in.
Wow, that's so cool. I'm gonna back up more so I can see your whole like throw.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
In the boomerang throw,
Up.
sometimes it just does that.
Okay. So if you do it, it's like,
And if you do it just right, so you can get that paper airplane throw really good. And sometimes he even do a move that stunt planes can't do. And this is how to, and this is the BoomGlider.
BoomGlider. Okay.
Have a fun paper and fine.
Are you gonna put up? Are you gonna maybe post directions on how to make it
Well,
later?
Yes, I may.
Okay. Peace out.
Peace out. Dip, dip, dip.